stop by and take a look at the 2018 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.